A group of several Cuban nationals arrived in Jamaica via boat in an attempt to unlawfully enter the country. The 6 Cuban individuals, consisting of 4 men and 2 women, were detained by police in Montego Bay, St. James, following their illegal arrival on Sunday afternoon. They were subsequently placed in police custody. In recent days, numerous groups of Cuban nationals have made their way to Jamaica via small vessels, frequently entering the country without authorization. Many Cubans are reportedly departing their homeland in response to economic adversities, frequent power outages resulting from the failure of the electricity grid, and the repercussions of recent hurricanes, such as Hurricane Raphael. The geographic proximity of Jamaica, coupled with the prevailing economic and social conditions in Cuba, renders it an attractive destination for Cuban rafters. Though the influx of Cuban migrants has captured considerable attention, Jamaica concurrently confronts the issue of undocumented Haitian migrants arriving by sea. Undocumented immigrants are generally apprehended and placed in police custody and processed by immigration authorities. The Jamaican government has affirmed its adherence to refugee protocols and collaborates with the Haitian government regarding repatriations.
Not true. Somebody pinned it in. They come from Florida.
Yeah, man, each and help one and know a thing, go, man.
No, they should take care of them, sir.
We have to run it.
Yeah, we have to run with something.
Go look better, though.